Hello all, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain about the ng style. Ng style is to change the alignment, color, text, height, width of a text or any HTML control. I will show you through one example. So before proceeding further, if you have not followed me on the Instagram and Facebook, please follow me there, and this is the link of Facebook and Instagram respectively. And also subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and press the bell icon so that you can receive the notification of my all videos. Now I'm going to open the Visual Studio Code. So this is the default structure of an Angular. So if you type ng new and give the any application name like demo or anything else and press enter, so it will generate the default structure. So this is the default structure where app module is the default module and app component is the default component. So I'll open the default component, which is the HTML and TS files. I keep open because we will add the component HTML component on the HTML and we'll do the styling on the HTML itself. So let's add one div and say this is an colorful day. So I'm going to create a very simple example so through which you can understand how we can use the ng style. So this is the only way that you can implement the ng style. It doesn't matter if you're working on the small size project or medium size or a large project. So if let's save it and run this using ng serve, press enter, we'll see the result on the browser. So let's wait until it's compiled successfully. It took 10 to 15 seconds. So it's compiled successfully, and go to the browser, open localhost 4200. So it's when we can see the result Angular, and this is the colorful day. Now in case we would like to change the background of this text, so how we can do using ng style. So large bracket and ng style, this is the syntax, and then double quotes, curly bracket, and type background hyphen color, and this will be under single quotes as in JSON format. This will act as a key, and then value red is in single quotes, and save it. Let's go to the browser. See, the background color is changed to red. Now we can change to some other color. Let's take it blue, save it. It's changed to blue. This is very easy, right? Now let's take one more div where we'll perform to change the background color using ternary operator. Conditional div, conditional data. Yeah. So here we just need to add one variable, and that variable will be managed from the TS file. So let's take the variable with say color. This is a variable, and ternary operator. To use the ternary operator, we should put the question mark and then one condition. If this particular condition, whatever the condition you will mention, if this condition is true, then before after the question mark, this particular things will execute, else here this code will be execute. So this is the way how ternary operator work. So remove this particular things, it doesn't required as of now, and mention here background color, which is of yellow. Now let's define the variable on the TS, and let's say true, and save the HTML. Let's go to the browser and see the result. It says blue color. Okay, let's change the some color to red so that it makes some difference from above div. Yeah, now this become red. Why? Because color variable holds true. Let's change to false, so it should show the yellow color. Perfect. So in this way ng style work. Even you can use using ternary operator or simple as it. Now background color, or if you like to just change the color of this text, rather than background color. So save it and go to the browser. So you see only text is changed rather than background color, right? So there are lots of things that you can achieve. Here you can put the height, weight, width. So these kind of things also can be obtained through ng style. So thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any question regarding current or previous tutorial, please mention the question in the comment section. I will be very happy to answer. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon, and also share and like this tutorial. Thank you so much.